So Parkland stock is up 4 or 5% today, so I thought I'd look into it a little bit more. It got me curious on what's going on here. Of course, if you don't know what they are, they're a retail oil and gas company. They refine oil, retail gas stations, things of that. It's actually been a struggling stock, so not one that I've actually been following too much on. Of course, they own the On the Run brand, very famous in Canada, lots of locations. Anyways, here's what the news of the day. This is not really new. Parkland's been turning around for the last year or so, but this is kind of showcasing ahead of their investor day next month in November 2023. And they've upped their guidance a little bit. EBITDA 1.8 to 1.85 billion. That's up 100 million. It actually looked pretty good. They're really juicing this one up. And I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed with their turnaround here. There wasn't really anything bad here. They're paying down their debt. They're going to end 2023 with 3 times, down from 3.4 times. And of course, they got their guidance right here. Cash flow per share. Next year, they're hoping to get $9.50. So I'll show you the stock price in a bit, but that's pretty good. And of course, they'll be deleveraging here. They're hoping to target 2 to 3 times by the end of 2024. Again, that's pretty much really good in the range that you expect. So like I'll show you the stock price here. Here it is. It's at $3 or it's at $38.23 here. Of course, it really hasn't done anything for a while, but I think this is a pretty good turnaround. A lot of these oil and gas companies have learned that they have to pay down debt, that they can't borrow. They got to return money to shareholders, and they're doing a really good job of it. But look, at $9.50 next year, you're paying about 4 times next year's cash flow, which is incredible. 2 to 3 times debt, only a 6.7 billion Canadian market cap right now. The PE ratio is pretty much in line. Dividend yield 4%, 3.56%. Yeah, this one's really firing on all cylinders. Like you can see the stock price just hasn't done a whole lot. We're looking at the weekly chart here. It's just breaking out again. Of course, what are we at here? 5-year chart. You can see it's just kind of coming back again. I stopped really following it, and I wasn't too sure they were making the right moves when their acquisitions and stuff in 2022. The stock fell off. I wasn't following it at all. And it's really made a comeback. The earnings, the quarterly reports have really done well. Just kind of hiding behind the scenes, doing a good job here. So yeah, very impressive. That is a quick look at Parkland, what's going on there. Yeah, it would be exciting to follow this one. I'll have to put it back on the radar.